Welcome to East Coast Travel, and right now I'm here at Bùi Viện Street, the backpacker area in Ho Chi Minh City. This is also in the Pham Ngo Lao area. It's a heavy downpour here, and the beginning of rainy season in Ho Chi Minh City and southern part of Vietnam. If you plan to travel to Vietnam around this rainy season, any rainy season, please keep in mind that you might encounter some downpour like this. It's a heavy rain. Sometimes as thick as fog, you can't see a thing. Everything is turned to bright white. I will zoom in on those. You see the drain from the top of the building. It's fascinating how much rainwater fall down at this time. I'm not sure, but I'm sure it's pretty heavy. And this also can cause a heavy flash flood. Water gathering because the drainage cannot cope with the amount of water that downpour right now. Some motorbikes still travel around. So this is the rainy season in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City, the biggest southern city of Vietnam. Thanks for watching. I'm from East Coast Travel, EASTCODE TRAVEL, East Coast Travel on YouTube. Oh, the wind start coming.